everyone doing in the corridor?
Having a party. What does it look like?
A party?
She's being sarcastic. We've all had things stolen from us. Someone nicked my potion bottle not 5 minutes ago.
And someone stole the silver teacup my grandmother gave me. And someone was rude enough to steal my jewelry box.
I don't see what anyone would want with all of those. Unless... They're all rather shiny, aren't they? What if it wasn't a person, but a niffler? I'm sure it's a niffler. This is Hogwarts. Who would steal anything here?
I hate to admit it, but you might be right.
If Daniel's potion bottle was recently taken, I bet the niffler is still nearby. I'll look around and see what I can find. It ran off outside, but it left behind a bunch of gold coins and Ivy's teacup, which means it's definitely the culprit. But how do I catch it? I should return Ivy's teacup first. Maybe we can come up with a plan as a group. Well, it was definitely a niffler. I found a bunch of gold coins and your teacup, Ivy.
Oh, thank you so much! Did you manage to catch the niffler?
Sadly, no. It managed to get away.
Maybe we could borrow Fang from that big oaf Hagrid and hunt it down.
I think that's a little extreme.
We could always try luring it out with something it likes.
Great idea! It left behind all these gold coins. I bet it wants them back. What if we piled them outside and waited for it to return?
I know just the spot. We can set them outside the dueling club and surround it when it appears.
Let's do it!
Cassandra, are you in?
This will never work. I'll come up with a better plan on my own, thanks.
If you insist, just don't hurt it. Ivy and I can take the coins and set them up. Since it's already encountered you, it might run if it sees you.
Good point. I'll meet you there in a little bit. Good luck! What are you doing to that poor niffler? I thought you didn't want to help us.
I don't. I just want my stuff back as fast as possible. So, I hunted it down, and now I'll be getting my stuff back. By force, if necessary.
Don't! You might hurt it.
That's its fault. It should have known better than to take my things.
I can't take 3 of them on my own. But maybe I'm not alone after all. Niffler! Incendio! Niffler. Troll. Atmosphere charm.
What do you want? Now you're in trouble.
Monster bomb. Bombastic bomb.
Bombastic bomb!
What's happening here? I thought we were meeting outside the dueling club.
We were, but I saw Cassandra trying to trap the poor Niffler and had to help.
I feared as much. We came the moment we heard dueling.
Are you okay? I'm fine, and so is our little friend here. Here, it gave me all your things back. Even yours, Cassandra.
I still think my plan was better.
That just leaves us with one more problem. What do we do with the Niffler?
Maybe we could take care of it in turns, so it can't get into trouble again.
No way. That's too much work.
I don't think I can either. Trying to make potions would be too dangerous with it around. Too many shiny things.
Me neither, I'm afraid. It just feels like too much responsibility. What if it went missing under my watch? Well then, looks like you're under my care, Niffler. Come on, let's see if I can keep you out of mischief. Something big and black curled up. What was that? What is that squeaking noise? There's something big and black curled up on the forest floor in the next clearing. There's a clearing up ahead that looks safe enough. Are we near the lake? Ugh, smells like rotting fish up ahead.
What do you want? Now you're in trouble.
Super! Atmosphere charm! Something growling up ahead, but I can't see around this huge rock. A rock that seems to be breathing. Monster boy! Troll! There's a sweet smell in the air. That was definitely a howl. Whatever beast made it sounds alone. Very angry.
What do you want? Now you're in trouble.
Fantastic fun! Incendio!